All right, guys. I've been ripping my hair out for about 2 days now, and I need some help with this wiper motor. I cannot, for the life of me, get the park function to work. So I've got it wired up to the point where I have, see if I can do this one-handed, low speed, high speed, but when I turn it off, it does not return back to the park location. And I don't know how to get that to work. I know, obviously, this terminal right here is the park terminal. Supposedly, this is the park wire for the motor. The park terminal is hot when the switch is turned off and cold when the switch is on high or low function. If I wire the park circuit up to the park terminal on the switch, this red wire from the motor also gets 12 volts and vice versa. If this red wire gets 12 volts, this white wire gets 12 volts. Now, supposedly, I'm supposed to connect this up to the 12 volt power source and this up to the park terminal on the wiper switch. But when I do that, I blow the fuse from the power source. So if anyone can point me in the right direction to getting the park function wired up correctly, I would greatly appreciate it.